Hi, I'm Linda Hutchinson. Today I'm going to show you how you can make birthday decorations using foil. Foil is readily available in most people's kitchens or at the local farmer's market or dollar store, and you can use it to make shiny decorations cheaply. I'm going to use a roll from an empty toilet paper roll, and I'm going to just roll this up like this. It's always great to recycle because not only do you save money, but it helps the ecology, which is always a good thing. So now I'm just going to secure that with a little piece of tape, and I'm going to bunch up the ends a little bit like this. So it's kind of look like a wrapped piece of candy. Now, you can use it as a decoration by itself, or before you bunch it up, you can put inside the tube candy, wrapped candy, or little toy surprise or something like that as party favors for the kids. So I'm going to tie this ribbon tightly and double knot it so it stays securely on both ends. This is curling ribbon, and I find it to be very festive for stuff like this. You can get it in any craft store or party supply place. Be careful with kids using the scissors. I recommend adults do this. You place the ribbon against the blade, put your thumb over the ribbon, and pull it quickly, and you get a curl. And if part of it doesn't curl all the way, you just go over it again. And it gives a nice festive touch to the decoration. People frequently use this ribbon for wrapping gifts. You can find it in all kinds of colors, depending on the decor of the birthday party. You can get it to match, and of course the foil, that will go with anything. Okay, so now you have what looks like a wrapped piece of candy. It's a nice little decoration filled with little treats. It'll make any kid very happy to have that as a little party favor, and it looks like a decoration until they take it home. My name is Linda Hutchinson. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye-bye.